Do you know what is the best food for liver and kidney? The best foods for liver and kidney health are those that are nutrient-dense and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Here are some examples. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients that help support liver and kidney function. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are high in compounds that support liver detoxification, while also providing antioxidants and fiber. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are high in antioxidants and other nutrients that help support liver and kidney function. Garlic contains compounds that help support liver function and promote detoxification. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect the liver and kidneys from damage. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation and protect against liver and kidney damage. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are high in fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that support liver and kidney health. It's important to remember that a balanced diet rich in a variety of whole, nutrient-dense foods is key to supporting overall liver and kidney health. Additionally, drinking plenty of water and reducing intake of processed foods, alcohol, and sugar can also help support liver and kidney function. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized nutrition advice. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe this channel.